Picture this. You're cruising down the road, blasting your favorite tune, feeling like $1,000,000, until suddenly your engine coughs like it's just downed 3 espressos and sputters to a halt. Cue dramatic horn honks and an overly dramatic wah from your backseat audience. Now let me guess, you skipped that oil change again, right? Well, buckle up. Today we're diving into the most epic car maintenance mistakes that turn your trusty ride into a rusty relic faster than you can say, check engine light. Number 1. Skipping scheduled maintenance. Skipping your car's scheduled maintenance is like avoiding the dentist. Ignore it too long and things fall apart. Automakers set service intervals to prevent costly failures like seized engines or broken suspension parts. But many drivers skip oil changes and inspections thinking they're saving money. In reality, skipping service now can lead to huge repair bills later. Bottom line, don't ghost your mechanic. They're looking out for your car. Number 2. Ignoring warning lights. Dashboard warning lights aren't decorations. They're your car's way of saying something's wrong. Ignoring them, or worse, covering them up, doesn't fix the issue. Experts warn that modern vehicles detect problems early, but if you delay action, you risk serious and expensive damage. Whether it's low oil pressure or a brake alert, treat warning lights like your mom's calls. Ignore them, and you'll regret it. Number 3. Skipping oil changes. Yes, the classic "I'll get it next month" oil change mistake. Your car's oil is like its lifeblood. It lubricates engine parts, keeps temperatures stable, and prevents sludge from forming. Delay an oil change long enough, and that silky smooth oil turns into sticky goop that clogs passages and destroys components. You wouldn't bathe in the same water for 6 months, right? Then why would your engine? While modern engines can go longer between oil changes, some even up to 10,000 miles, consistency is key. Changing your oil late once won't kill your car, but make it a habit and you'll be heading toward expensive repairs. As Toyota of Greenville's service team puts it, skipping oil changes is one of the top ways drivers sabotage their engines. Save yourself the drama and just get the oil changed when it's due. Think of it as your car's spa day. Everyone deserves one. Number 4. Neglecting fluids other than oil. Oil gets all the attention, but your car relies on other fluids too. Brake fluid, coolant, transmission fluid, and more. Ignoring them can lead to overheating, poor braking, or major engine damage. AA says fluid neglect is one of the most common and costly mistakes drivers make. Watch for warning signs like odd smells, rising temps, or strange noises. Check your fluids regularly. Your car needs more than just oil to stay healthy. Keep it hydrated. Number 5. Tire trouble. Pressure, tread, and rotation. Let's talk tires. They're round, black, and the only part of your car actually touching the road, so maybe, just maybe, they deserve some love. You'd be amazed how many drivers roll around on bald, underinflated tires and expect their car to handle like a dream. Newsflash, underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency, mess with your handling, and dramatically increase the chance of a blowout. Monthly tire pressure checks are a must, and rotating your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles ensures they wear evenly. If you don't, you'll wear them out prematurely and probably notice your car pulling to one side like a grumpy toddler on a leash. Check the tread using the penny test. Yep, that's still a thing, and if it's looking shallow, it's time to replace. Don't treat your tires like flip-flops in winter. Take care of them and they'll take care of you. Number 6. Using the wrong fuel or fluids. You wouldn't feed a baby jalapenos, right? Then why would you give your car the wrong kind of fuel or fluids? Putting diesel in a gas engine, or vice versa, isn't just a whoopsie. It can cause major internal damage, cost thousands to fix, and in most cases your insurance won't cover it. In the UK alone, this mistake happens roughly every 3 minutes. It's not just about fuel. Using the wrong type of oil, transmission fluid, or coolant can cause slow-burning damage that doesn't show up until months later, when your wallet gets the final diagnosis. Every Code Japan points out that many car owners don't check their manual before buying fluids, resulting in mismatches that cost big. Double check everything. Read your manual. Ask the parts guy. Just please, don't eyeball it like you're seasoning a soup. Number 7. Letting rust run wild. Tiny chip in your paint, just a cosmetic thing, right? Think again. That little chip exposes bare metal to moisture, and before long, you've got a rust patch spreading across your car like a bad rumor. Rust is more than ugly. It weakens the structural integrity of your vehicle and lowers its resale value. Oh, and if left long enough, it can even eat through essential parts like brake lines or suspension arms. According to Direct Gap and other insurance providers, many people ignore cosmetic scratches until they become much bigger issues. The solution? Don't. Touch up paint chips right away. If you're really into protection, consider paint protection film or ceramic coatings. Your car isn't invincible, but with a little effort, it doesn't have to look like it just survived a Mad Max audition. Number 8. DIY repairs gone wrong. DIY can be fun. It's empowering to fix your own car until you realize you just reattached your brake calipers with zip ties and blind faith. Look, YouTube is great, but unless you're trained, there are limits to what you should try at home. Electrical work, brake jobs, steering components, these are best left to professionals. In countries like Australia and the US, authorities have reported increasing DIY disasters, especially involving critical systems like suspension and wiring. And guess what? If your car catches fire due to a botched DIY coolant fix, yes, this happens, your insurance may not cover the damage. Know your limits. Changing an air filter? Go for it. Rewiring the fuse box with duct tape and dreams? Maybe not. Number 9. Idling for no reason and dirty air filters. Let's bust a myth. Idling your engine for long periods is not harmless. In fact, it can degrade your oil faster, waste gas, and cause water vapor to build up inside the engine, especially in cold weather. Mechanics like Scotty Kilmer have long warned against chronic idling, yet many people still leave their cars running just in case. Add to that the number of people who forget to replace their air filters, and you've got a recipe for poor fuel economy and engine stress. A dirty air filter is like trying to breathe through a wet towel. Your car needs oxygen. Give it fresh air every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more often in dusty environments. It's a simple fix that pays off in performance and longevity. Number 10. Running on fumes and overloading the car. You know that feeling when your fuel light's been on for 40 miles and you're playing a game of gas station roulette? Yeah, not the best idea. Running your car on low fuel puts stress on the fuel pump, which is designed to be submerged in fuel. Constantly running low makes it overheat and fail early. Bonus problem, you might suck up sediment from the bottom of the tank into your engine. Overloading your car is another sin we often commit on road trips. Stuffing your vehicle like a Thanksgiving turkey affects suspension, fuel economy, and braking. Your owner's manual tells you how much weight your car can carry. Respect it. Otherwise, your shocks and struts will wear down faster than a toddler on a sugar high. Number 11. Riding the brakes and skipping brake maintenance. Constantly pressing your brakes, especially downhill, overheats them and causes faster wear. Instead, downshift and let the engine help. Skipping brake checks is risky too. Worn pads and rotors can lead to costly metal-on-metal grinding. Listen for squeaks, grinding, or longer stopping times. And get your brakes inspected every 10,000 miles. Your safety and wallet depend on it. Number 12. Battery neglect and terminal corrosion. If your car suddenly won't start, chances are your battery is silently judging you for months of neglect. Car batteries need maintenance. Terminals corrode, voltage drops, and in extreme heat or cold, things can go downhill fast. Every Corporated, Limited, and Schicker Ford note that many battery failures are entirely preventable with simple cleaning and testing. Check your battery terminals every few months and clean off any corrosion with a baking soda and water mix. Replace the battery every 3 to 5 years depending on climate and usage. And please don't wait until you're late for a meeting to discover your car is deader than disco. And there you have it, folks. If you learned anything today, do your car a favor and hit that like, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep your tires pumped, your fluids full, and your check engine light off. Stay safe, stay smart, and as always, drive like your mechanic is watching.